the ultimate guide to staying hydrated on a keto diet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on keto or thinking about starting, you need to watch this, because today we're diving into the ultimate guide to hydration on a keto diet. When you're in ketosis, your body processes water and electrolytes differently, which can lead to dehydration, fatigue, headaches, and even the dreaded keto flu. But don't worry, I've got all the tips, tricks, and must-know facts to keep you hydrated, energized, and thriving on keto. If that sounds good, hit that like button and let's get into it. First things first, why is hydration such a big deal on keto? When you cut carbs, your body burns through its stored glycogen, and for every gram of glycogen lost, you also lose about 3 grams of water. This is why so many people experience rapid weight loss in the first week. It's mostly water weight. But here's the catch. This water loss also means you're flushing out essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. If you don't replenish them, you can feel tired, dizzy, get muscle cramps, and even experience the keto flu. So staying hydrated on keto is not just about drinking water, it's about balancing your electrolytes too. How do you know if you're dehydrated on keto? Here are some common signs. Dry mouth and excessive thirst. Your body is signaling that it needs fluids. Headaches. Dehydration can cause tension headaches and migraines. Fatigue and brain fog. Not enough electrolytes can make you feel sluggish and unfocused. Muscle cramps. Low potassium and magnesium can cause painful cramping. Dizziness or lightheadedness. A drop in blood pressure from low sodium can make you feel off balance. If you're experiencing any of these, you might not be drinking enough water, or you need more electrolytes. But don't worry, I've got solutions. So, how much water should you actually drink? A good rule of thumb is half your body weight in ounces per day. So if you weigh 160 pounds, aim for 80 ounces, about 10 cups of water daily. But this can change based on factors like activity level, sweating, you need more water. Climate, hot weather, up your intake. Salt and electrolyte intake. The more electrolytes you consume, the better your body holds onto water. And remember, drinking too much plain water without electrolytes can actually flush out your sodium and make things worse. So let's talk about the best ways to hydrate properly. Alright, let's talk hydration hacks. Here's what I personally do to stay hydrated on keto. Drink electrolyte water. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water or use an electrolyte supplement like Keto Electrolytes, one of my favorites. This keeps your sodium, potassium, and magnesium levels balanced. Watch your caffeine intake. Coffee and tea are fine, but they can be dehydrating. For every cup of coffee, drink an extra glass of water. Eat water-rich keto foods. Foods like cucumbers, zucchini, bell peppers, and leafy greens all have high water content and help with hydration. Drink bone broth. This is a game changer. Bone broth is packed with electrolytes and minerals, making it the perfect keto hydration booster. Avoid sugary sports drinks, Gatorade, nope, too much sugar. Instead, go for zero-carb electrolyte drinks like Element, Kepi, or homemade electrolyte water. Light bulb bonus tip. If you're struggling with dehydration, try drinking a glass of salt water first thing in the morning. It helps replenish lost sodium overnight. Want to make a quick and easy DIY keto electrolyte drink? Here's my go-to recipe. 16 ounces water. 1/4 of a teaspoon Himalayan pink salt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice lemon. 1/4 of a teaspoon cream of tartar for potassium. Optional, 1 to 2 drops of stevia for taste. Mix it all up and boom, you've got a natural, zero-carb electrolyte drink that keeps you hydrated and feeling amazing on keto. Drinking enough water, but not overdoing it. Replenishing electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Eating water-rich keto foods and drinking bone broth. Avoiding dehydration signs like headaches, cramps, and brain fog. Using electrolyte supplements or homemade drinks for better hydration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a keto health tip. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite keto-friendly drink to stay hydrated? Check out the list of products I recommend for hydration in the description below. See you in the next video.